Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Shoaib Ahmed. Today I am going to discuss about past paper of MEPCO test part 4 for junior engineer position which were conducted by NTS in 2015. We have already discussed three parts of this MEPCO test. Now we come to the question number 31. There are two types of overcurrent protection: instantaneous overcurrent, and there are the four options. The correct answer is D, time overcurrent. Now we come to the question number 32. Natural uranium contains uranium 235 isotopes. There is a four options. The correct answer is B, 0.7%. Natural uranium contains 0.7% of the uranium-235 isotopes. The remaining 99.3% is mostly the uranium-238 isotopes, which does not contribute directly to the fission process, though it does so indirectly by the formation of fissile isotopes of plutonium. Now we come to the question number 33. Which of the following is not a purpose of disturbance monitoring equipment? There is four options. The correct answer is C, incorrect protection settings. What is disturbance monitoring equipment? Disturbance monitoring equipment monitors and records system data pertaining to a fault. DME accomplish three main purposes: model validation, disturbance investigation, and assessment of the system protection performance. Disturbance monitoring equipment devices include sequence of event recorders, which record equipment response to the event; fault recorders, which record actual waveform data of the system primary voltage and currents; dynamic disturbance recorders, which record incidents that portray power system behavior during dynamic events such as a low frequency 0.1 Hz to 3 Hz oscillation and abnormal frequency. Now we come to the question number 34. The principle of dash can be used to analyze fault in power system or network. There is the four options. The correct answer is C, superposition. What is superposition theorem? The superposition theorem is a circuit analysis theorem used to solve the network where two or more sources are present and connected. Now we come to the question number 35. In a stepper motor, how is the speed of rotation determined? There are three options. The correct answer is C, frequency. How is the speed of rotation is determined in a stepper motor? The rotating speed of the stepper motor is determined by the speed of the pulses frequency given to the driver, and it is possible to freely change the motor rotation by simply changing the number of input pulses or frequency to the driver. When pulses are input to a driver through a pulse generator, the stepper motor position according to the number of input pulses. The basic step angle of 5-phase stepper motor is 0.72 degree and 1.8 degree for 2-phase stepper motor. The rotating speed of the stepper motor is determined by the speed of the pulse frequency given to the driver, and it is possible to freely change the motor rotation by simply changing the number of input pulses or frequency to the driver. The stepper motor not only serves as a position control motor but also as a speed control motor with high synchronization. As shown in the figure, this is a PLC module in which power supply, CPU, or positioning all are built in. When signal is generated in form of pulse signal, which is given to the driver. Driver convert pulse signal from the controller into motor motion to achieve precise position. This is all about the stepper motor. Now we come to the question number 36. The crystal oscillator is used because of there is three options. The correct answer is A. Stability. What is oscillator? Oscillator converts unidirectional current flow from a DC source into an alternating waveform which is of the desired frequency as decided by its circuit components. Oscillators can be classified into various types depending on the parameter considered, like based on the feedback mechanism, the shape of the output waveform, etc. RC oscillators, LC oscillator, crystal oscillator used for frequency control. Why crystal oscillator is stable oscillator? Oscillators based on a resonator like a quartz crystal are generally easily stabilized because of the mechanical resonance of the quartz element is highly stable, only influenced to a small degree by external factors. A crystal oscillator is the most stable frequency oscillator. The main feature of crystal oscillator is there are three options. The correct answer is A. Stability, as we already discussed. Oscillator are known by its stability features. Now we come to the question number 38. State variable analysis is used for modeling of dash type of system. There is 5 options. The correct answer is E. Now we come to the question number 39. If pole lies on the left half of S-plane, the system is, there is a 3 option. The correct answer is A. Stable. Now we come to the figure. The stability of system depends only on the location of poles, but not only the location of zeros. You can see from first figure, there is imaginary line, one is there is a real line. If the poles are located on the left side of S-plane, then the system is stable. And you can see from this figure, if any pole is located on the right side of the S-plane, the system is unstable. And you can see from this figure, if two or more poles at the original system is unstable. When two poles at the origin, then the system will be unstable. As we see from 4 figure, from imaginary line, one pair of pole on the imaginary axis, then the system is marginally stable. And you can see the figure 5. If more than one pair of the pole on the imaginary axis, then the system is unstable. Now we come to the question number 40. Discrete device field effect transistor are classified on the basis of the, there are 4 options. The correct answer is D. Control gate construction. I have compiled all the MCQs in one PDF file and its link is given in description. You can easily download. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.